It's with heavy hearts we're continuing to follow breaking news as the first American astronaut to orbit Earth has died. John Glenn was 95 years old, but there is much more on his resume than astronaut. He represented the state of Ohio as a senator from 1972 to 1998, and now Ohio Governor John Kasich tweeting in part, "John Glenn is and always will be Ohio's ultimate hometown hero." And his passing today is an occasion for all of us to grieve. As we bow our heads and share our grief with his beloved wife, Annie, we must also turn to the skies to salute his remarkable journeys and his long years of service to our state and our nation.